Are you looking for the best roofing company in Streamwood, Illinois? You've come to the right place. Harris Roofing, Siding, Windows and Doors is your local exterior remodeling expert. We maintain an A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau and have hundreds of 5-star reviews on the top sites that matter most. Harris Exteriors is a certified contractor with preferred status, able to offer you top brands like GAF, Da Vinci, Owens Corning, and many more. Call us at 630-883-5367 to schedule a free in-home estimate, or visit our showroom conveniently located at 1530 Brandy Parkway in Streamwood. Let us earn your trust in business. Contact us to get your exact price right now.